Wee! The Nasdaq and CPI out here stealing some souls today. I don't understand this whole CPI thing. Numbers coming green. I guess inflation is up, or it's more than expected. I don't know. I just know the market did not freaking like it today. How did my accounts fare? Well, we'll find out in just a second. So first of all, wow, what a freaking move today. Um, I guess it's time for a pullback or a retracement or a retest of some levels, because really the Nasdaq has done nothing, and the market in general has done nothing but ascend to the heavens for what, like 11 days straight or something crazy. Like, you know what? Let's just go see how many days. How many days has it been? A lot. There is a lot more green in this chart than there is red. But look at the size of this freaking candle. That's the first time I clicked on the daily chart today. Wow, look at the size of that one red candle. That is insane. Anyway, so let's start with the CPI numbers and this flash in the pan, red hot down candle that everybody had to eat this morning. Um, I wasn't around when this happened, but going back and looking at it, that was like instant death if you were long. No time to cancel your orders or anything. That was just, like I said, a red hot flash in the pan. And then I want to draw your attention to the pivot points. Pivot points, to me, are really, really important on days like yesterday and days like today. Because where the heck is the market going to go? Well, we know it's going up or down. I get that, but I'm saying it gives you a kind of a roadmap in a sense. If it hits off of certain levels, well, where's the next level that it can go to? And do I trade and hold for these targets? No, I don't. I don't trade like that at all. That's how I used to get burnt, as a matter of fact. So I don't trade that way anymore. But when I am scalping and you see moves like this happening right here, and as it goes past VWAP and continues, well, where's the next possible place that it could potentially end up? Right here at this pivot, right? Or when it's selling off, same scenario. We've cracked underneath VWAP. Well, where's the next logical place that it could go to? Right here at this pivot. Bounces, comes back, retests it, breaks through, and I'll be danged if it's not touching this bottom pivot as we speak right now at 2:30 in the afternoon. So pivots play a important important role in determining where the market is going, to me. And again, I don't hold for those targets. I don't hold for the longer targets like I used to. I scalp in and out, but it gives me a better, um, it gives me more confidence to hold when a trade goes against me. Yeah, I don't know how else to put it. I don't know a better way of saying that. But yeah, what a wild freaking day in the market. All right, so on to the P&L for the day. I will preface this by saying I poured some gasoline on the fire. What do I mean by that? So we got close to the trailing drawdown of getting past that, and I was like, you know what? We're doing it right now. We are doing it right now. As a matter of fact, it was in this move right here. There's like 5 trades right here, 4 trades, something like that in this move up. And I just decided to end the trailing drawdown madness right then. So we cracked off 27.25 today, a little over $900 basically in each account. That puts us at 4 days traded. That puts us at 27 plus $100 in each of those accounts. I am nowhere close to being able to request a withdrawal from these. Um, I still have to trade them for 6 more days, and actually I have to trade them until the first. Um, I don't have to. I guess theoretically I could trade them 4 more days and then flip two, but I don't like doing that. If I can go make money in the market, I'm gonna go try to make money in the market and build these accounts up even more. I don't have to go hit a $900 day again, but I do need to continue to add to them, and that's what I'm going to try to do, attempt to do. Felt really good to get them over that threshold though today. And then I have two 150K accounts coming back online this evening. They will be live tonight, tomorrow. Those two is probably what I will use to stream. And that brings me to this. So trading these trading these 50K accounts, I have scaled down. So I'm not trading micros, but I will trade one, sometimes two minis. Sometimes two minis. The mass majority of these have been one trade, 8 tick trades. Be it short, be it long, one contract, 8 ticks. Um, and dude, you would be surprised how quickly it adds up. It racks up really quickly. Um, and I think that is the same way I'm going to trade the 150Ks. I'm going to stop trying to strong arm it with extra contracts, 2 to 4. I don't need to do that. I don't need to do that. 1 to 2 contracts is more than enough to make a crap ton of money. Not that Not that this is a crap ton of money. That's not what I'm trying to say. I'm trying to say if you can go in and make more than $400, if I can go in and make more than $400 in a day in each of these accounts, that is more than enough for me to be happy and content with my day. Even though today I wasn't going to be happy and content until I couldn't go any further. So it's different. But yeah, so I think I'm going to scale back on the 150Ks and try to just trade with 1 to 2 and see what that gets me. So again, one of these groups of accounts, I'm going to even try not to even take a full payout on. I am really going to try to grow one of these groups of accounts into something nice. Not that getting a payout isn't nice, but I am going to try to grow that niceness. I'm going to grow that pot bigger uh, than I did the last time. So that is my plan for one of these sets. Again, I still haven't made up my mind if that's going to be the 50Ks or the 150Ks. Um, we will just see how the next couple of weeks go. But hey, if you haven't already, hit the like button for me. I very much appreciate it. And that is all I got. I will catch up with you all next time. Take care. Bye.